coffee time just after lunch in the forge.
Dinner, actually.
Yeah, dinner. That's why it's so dark. Because it's already actually late. It's after 8.
Yeah.
We are in Seminyak.
Yeah, so we are in Seminyak Tengah area actually. Before we have a dinner in the Forge Bali,
Yes.
as it was so full house,
Really
and
busy.
we were there and all table almost what is it? Full book.
Full book. We just had the last seat, and that's why we didn't record too much. Anyway,
Yeah.
nowadays it's quite difficult to record in the restaurants due to, you know, as the it's
Yeah.
just difficult.
Yeah, well actually that some places, some restaurant in Seminyak Tengah always busy. That is the Forge Bali and this restaurant, Biku restaurant.
Yes.
So after we had a big burger, we decided to have a coffee and dessert here. So the
Yeah.
cake's so good.
Obviously, we will show you more from the streets of the Seminyak area today, because it's actually more alive than I was last time.
Yeah.
It's worth to show. Honey, sayang, eating the chocolate cake. I'm so full after burger. In the Forge, they have a really great burgers.
The chocolate cake in Biku, highly recommended.
Okay, give me bite, quick.
You have to try, honey.
Very nice. I like it, but I'm full.
So yeah.
Anyway, that's how it looks the situation. By the way, Biku, very nice place for coffee and cake. And this is like a gingerbread little bit, chocolate gingerbread cake.
Yeah, but this is good. I really love it.
Nice. See you later in the Seminyak somewhere. We'll show you guys around how it looks the situation, as Seminyak is more alive now. Unfortunately, it's quite difficult to recording
actually that's-
inside the restaurants nowadays.
Yeah. Nowadays it's quite difficult to record actually inside the restaurant because of the restaurant almost full house, especially in the Forge Bali.
Yes, it was almost full house. We were
Yeah.
sitting on the nearly the last seat. Lucky
Yeah,
as we
and
had it.
Yeah, lucky we had it, and then like, you know, we didn't book the table, and then
Yes.
almost all the table are reserved. Oh my god! But we really love the burger.
Burger was so nice. Now we are heading into the La Favela area. La Favela is already open. Unfortunately, they they changed the rules. You cannot make any sort of videos over there. Also, they put the minimum spend like around $100, which is quite difficult, right? We're not willing to go there because, well, obviously I cannot even show you guys as we was in La Favela, so we're gonna show you just outside. Some people over there. Yes, honey?
Yeah, yeah.
And then we'll see how's the crack over here. Alright, so basically as you see, the La Favela and red carpet and obviously the Cocomare and Natis is open. However, now there's some places, like I said before, they allow you normally to come, enjoy your life, have a pictures, videos, stuff like this. Other ones, they just simply they not agree with anything, you know. You cannot bring your phone even. I mean, they're gonna cover your lens. They will put stickers on your phone, right, honey?
Yeah.
So
Because you are not allowed to take pictures or making
videos.
actually.
That's complicated. I don't even know how to explain to you guys that. However, that's how it is, just for your information, the current update from the Seminyak at night.
that's all our vlog today about how the situation in Seminyak.
Yes, that will be enough for today's vlog. We tried our best to show you as much as possible from Seminyak at
so
night.
Seminyak on the weekend actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, some restaurants are open, some restaurants are still closed.
As here, for example, it's already very dark and quiet. Yeah, I think that will be enough. Like Winnie said, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and see you tomorrow. Like always, something new.
Bye!
See you, take care.